Hey guys, and welcome to the fam. I'm Dev.
I don't think that's right. No. Hey guys, and welcome to the fam. My name's Devin.
I'm Tam.
And thank you for coming for another Songbird Saturdays with Regine. And today we're going to react to I'll Never Love This Way Again.
Oh, and I love this song.
So
there's some powerful moments in this song. So I hope, well, I can say I hope, but I know she's going to turn it up. Because she always hits that high note.
Yeah, she always does.
Always does.
So without further ado, let's get into this, guys. Leave more suggestions in the comment section. Subscribe for next week. And let's get into this.
Let's do it.
The crowd's already going crazy. It's like 2
crazy.
words.
Before she even said anything.
Yeah, that shows you the power she has as far as a singer.
Since you took me in, and I know I'll never love this way again.
Wow.
I know I'll never love this way again, so I keep holding on before the good is gone. I know
That's a good song.
She has so many different looks for some reason.
Yeah. We just made it. I think she looks different than she does now today. But, you know.
Tomorrow, reaching back for yesterday. I won't turn my head in sorrow if you should go away. Stop and remember just how good it's been, and I know I'll never love this way again.
Wish I had a lighter, I could, wave it back and forth and do that.
Oh, Regine!
Wow. Wow.
She did it! Oh!
That's great.
Woo!
So what do you think that she's not gonna amaze you? Well, I mean, I don't know why anybody would think it, but you just never ceases to surprise.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Woo! Man, Regine! Regine. Give it up for Regine. You know, every time, like you were saying, she hits that high note, it's always like the first time I've ever heard her hit that high note. It just gives you that feeling like, whoa.
Wow, this is
That
incredible.
girl, yeah, amazing.
Wow, and if you guys like that, go ahead and leave more comments or suggestions in the comment section.
Definitely suggestions. Yeah. I'd love to hear some of her older stuff too.
Yeah, that's great. Why not? Maybe if there's a dance video, she's got a weird dance video out there. We want to see some Regine moves as well.
Yeah,
so, it's all up to you guys. Leave the suggestions down below. Subscribe for more. Like if you like this video. Have a great rest of your day.
Bye.